Hi guys, welcome back to this, the third and final in my series of cocktail videos for the Ice Company. So for the final video we are going to be making the Negroni. Now love it or hate it, there's no denying that the growth of the Negroni has been huge over the past few years, and I think a lot of that is to do with the fact that it's actually really easy to make them at home. You just need 3 ingredients, equal parts, and even if you don't have one of these things, you can just measure it by eye or using an egg cup or anything that can hold a liquid basically. So we're going to start with Campari. So first thing I'm going to do is put some ice into my rocks glass down here. Again, we're using the super cubes from the Ice Company. The large size of their cube means that your drink stays chilled for longer without too much dilution, which is exactly what you want for a Negroni. So I'm going to put 25 ml of Campari into my glass. I'm going to follow that with 25 ml of gin. This time I'm using Beefeater 24 because I think the tea notes work really well with the bitter side of this cocktail. So we're just going to put 25 ml into there. And then finally you're going to want a sweet vermouth. Cork popping might be the one of the most satisfying sounds around. So there we go, all 3 ingredients into the glass. And then the last thing you're going to need is to take a stir. So if you don't have a bar spoon, you can use a chopstick or just a teaspoon. So all you want to do is move the ice around in the glass to add a little bit of dilution. So you can see here that the liquid line in the glass is a little bit low now, so I'm just going to add one final ice cube. So big chunks of ice are your friend, it means that your drink stays colder for longer and doesn't get overly diluted. And then garnish simply with an orange slice. Again, if you would prefer to add a twist or a big juicy wedge, it's completely up to you, but I like to keep things classic with a traditional slice. So, cheers guys! I really hope you enjoy World Gin Day tomorrow. I look forward to seeing all of your posts. Please tag them with hashtag World Gin Day so that you can join in the conversation and we can all see what you're getting up to. Cheers from me and cheers from the guys from the Ice Company, and yeah, happy World Gin Day!